Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SSL and HTTPS for your no-code landing page step by step clearly. First, choose a domain name for your landing page. Register your domain with a reliable domain registrar. Log in to your domain registrar account. Locate the DNS management section in your account dashboard. Add a new record to point your domain to your hosting provider's IP address. Wait for the DNS changes to propagate, which can take a few minutes to 48 hours. Select a hosting provider that supports SSL certificates. Log in to your hosting provider account. Navigate to the SSL certificate setup section. Choose the option to create a new SSL certificate. If your hosting provider offers a free SSL option, select it. Complete any required form fields, such as the domain name. Generate a certificate signing request, or CSR, if prompted. Copy the CSR and submit it to get your SSL certificate issued. Once you receive your SSL certificate, return to your hosting provider account. Upload the SSL certificate in the designated area. Activate the SSL certificate for your domain. Verify that the SSL is correctly installed by checking your domain with an SSL checker tool. Redirect all HTTP traffic to HTTPS by setting up a redirect rule in your hosting settings. Update any internal links on your landing page to use HTTPS. Test your landing page to ensure it loads securely with HTTPS. Monitor your site for any mixed content issues and fix these as needed. Congratulations! Your no-code landing page is now secure with SSL and HTTPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.